Hi, I'm Ray. Today it's time to go some peas. And I'm growing some peas and we're doing some early onwards and Champion of England. But noticeably of all, these from November 2013. So it's a good experiment to see whether we can sell old seeds and whether they're going to work. And as a backup plan, I've got these 2022 Champion of England seeds from Real Seeds. So I'm going to plant these. I'll show you what I'm going to do. So what we're sowing today is Champion of England tall climbing beans, which is an old variety collected by Robert Woodridge's grandfather in 1940 from a manor garden in Pickworth, Links, kept alive by his grandmother and passed us 2007. So quite an old pea. The next one we're doing is Early Onward. This is a very popular early variety with high yields and excellent flavour. So these are Early Onwards, and we've got a date of November 2013. So we're going to see if we can grow these on from 2013. So I'm going to be growing these in cell trays that are deep. These are great because they have nice long tubes and the roots can go nicely down in straight lines and you can plant them straight out. And these just click together and form a nice cell, a long cell. You can do peas in just a normal pot, make it a long pot for the roots to go down, or even just in gutters or in directly in the ground. But we do have to be aware of the mice. So I'm just going to add some multi-purpose. I'm just getting some peas in. I'm doing multi-sowing. I'm just doing my first batch now and see what happens. So I'm just using peat-free multi-purpose. And we're just taking our cell tray and we're just filling it up with the multi-purpose. Make sure it goes down. Don't want no pockets of air. There we go. I'm going to take our peas, and the first ones we're doing is the Early Onward. And I've taken them out, put them in this lid. I'm going to put 2 per cell, and they're just going to go straight from there, straight into the ground. If there's 2 plants, then they grow up together and be friends. So 2 in each, and then we're going to cover over with a bit of compost, fare it down. So I'm going to do 2 lots of Early Onwards. Put them together. These are really good. Fill them up. And we're going to sow these in batches. So we'll do the first ones now. A couple of weeks we'll do another batch. And then once these are grown out we can use the same cell tray, but with another batch. So we've got succession sowing going on. There we go. That's early onward. We've got another tray. Fill them up. And the next batch we're doing is Champion of England. Two in each. There we go. Cover over. And another two. So it'd be interesting to see if these old seeds grow. There's no reason why they shouldn't. But it will be interesting to see how quick they grow compared to the new ones. So there we go. That's the pea sown. All we need is a label. Champion, and that's for those two, and onward for those two. So they're going to go in the greenhouse. Going to keep them away from the critters, from the mice and anybody else wanting to eat our peas, and we'll keep these for growing in a couple of weeks' time. We have a nice supply. So let me know in the comments, what seeds are you growing? What peas varieties do you like? And I really do like alderman peas. That's one of the best ones that we prefer. But today we're doing early onwards, which makes a change. And we'll see how we get on with these. There we go. So they're going to go in the greenhouse, and we'll follow them how they get on. Cheers!